Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go over the quick steps to get started with your pocket option account. All right. So once you click on the link inside of the bio, inside of the description, or wherever link you've gotten, pocketoption.com, you're gonna either go up here to registration, or you can go over here, fill up your email, and then sign up here. Okay. Or you can go ahead and log in with your Facebook or Google. For this example, I'm gonna use Google. All right. So once you do that, it's going to bring you here to this demo account page, and you can actually go ahead and click on the top right and click invest real money. All right. Now, what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to be able to go ahead and click on Bitcoin. Okay. And when you choose your amount, you can do as little as 50 bucks. Right. Right. When you go ahead and choose 50 bucks, you can go ahead and click continue. And it'll take you to this page here. You're going to click continue again. And whether you're using Coinbase, you're using Cash App, whatever the case may be, you can either scan the QR code here, or you can copy this address here, right? Copy it, and then you can actually send the $50 of Bitcoin to this address. It'll take about 30 minutes to an hour to upload. And once it uploads, you'll see it up here inside of your balance, or inside of your live account balance right here. Okay. Now you can switch between your accounts up here. If you click on the money sign here, this is your live account, this is your demo account, and then these are your other accounts. Okay. So now once you have this set up, you'll be able to come back to the trading page. And I like to do quick trading. So there's no fixed time, right? Which means you won't see it looking like this. You'll see it look just like this. Okay. Now, real quick, the green button is what we call a call, which means that we believe the value is going to be above where the market currently is at the end of our designated time. So if we choose 30 seconds and I do a call, that means I believe that the price will be higher than this green line, or that price, right, at the end of this timer over here, right? So if I click on that, it'll say your forecast is higher, estimated profit is 180, right? The open price was 292.74. And the current price, as you can see, is kind of fluctuating, right? If it stays above this at the end of this 8 seconds, right, we'll close this profit and we'll make 80 bucks. The reason why we'll make $80 is because Facebook is paying our 80%. As you can see, we won that trade, we made 180, our 80% plus our initial investment. The 80% is the payout. So because we put up $100 and we were correct about the forecast, we made $80 plus our initial 100 back. Now let's say, for instance, I wanted to go ahead and say the value would be lower. I can do the red button, which is what we call a put, right? PUT. And at the end of this timer, we want the price to be lower. As you can see, our forecast is lower, right, than where it is now. And at the end of this 13 seconds, if the price is lower than this red line, then we'll make 80%, right? So that's a quick little breakdown of, what those things mean. And your expiration time is obviously your designated time for, how much time you would like to put inside of your trade time or your expiration time. Okay. And you can do, some brokers allow you to do weeks, days. Brokers like Pocket Option allow you to do as little as 30 seconds, right? On average, most trades are usually 1 minute trades or 2 minute trades or 3 minute trades. You won't really be doing 30-second trades, depending on the strategy that you use. Okay. So I recommend starting with a demo account or a small live account, 50 to 100 bucks. And again, you can click up here on invest real money, and you can refer to my other videos on how to actually purchase Bitcoin on Cash App to be able to send it here, so you can load up your account and start trading. Okay. If you need any help with the brokers, you can click help right here. You can contact the support team right around here. And they also have mobile apps, so keep that in mind. You can actually get the Pocket Option app from the Apple Store or the Android Store, and you can go from there. All right. So guys, that's how you open up a Pocket Option account, how you open up a live account, how you deposit, and also just the quick basics of how the trading actually works. All right. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me on Instagram. It's at Kai Christopher. I'll be glad to help you guys with whatever issues that you're having. I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.